Here's how to add a halftone effect to a photo in Affinity in seconds. Halftone is a printing technique that creates images using dots to build up tones and colours, like you see in newspapers and comic book art. It's also sometimes called screen tone. I'm Jeremy from the Artifacts Forge, and here's how it works. Simply open and select a photo, then access the Pixel, New Live Filter, Colours, then Halftone menu. This opens the Live Halftone options, and as you can see, it instantly converts the photo into black and white dots. I'm going to adjust the effect to suit the image by moving the sliders. Firstly, I'm changing the cell size. Sliding right increases the dot size and sliding left shrinks the dots. When using the smaller setting, the halftone is no longer visible. To use the halftone effect well, I need to balance keeping the dots visible but also keep the image legible. And I'm going to do this by adjusting both the contrast slider and the cell size slider. If I slide the contrast slider all the way to the left, the dots disappear and we're left with a grayscale photo. When I slide to the right, the photo loses definition. So ideally, I want it to be somewhere in between. The screen angle dial rotates the formation of the dot pattern. As you can see, the default dot type is cosine. We can switch to round, where the dots are perfect circles with sharper edges. In the screen drop-down menu, there are a number of other options. First, colour. This uses the original photo colours to great effect. When working in colour, two more sliders become available. Grey component replacement controls the contrast of areas between the dots. Under colour removal controls the influence of the original photo colour. Slide right to reduce the image saturation. The line screen option creates a linear effect and looks great when rotated. And there's also a circular effect. Control the opacity of the halftone effect here. And you can experiment with blend modes here. A blend mode controls how the colour interacts with anything below it. In this case, how the halftone effect works with the photo. This is an opportunity to create some interesting effects. The halftone effect is non-destructive. This means you can easily revert to the original photo by toggling visibility. Or delete the effect entirely using the delete button or removing it on the layers panel. A quick tip about choosing the right photo. Be sure to use a high contrast photo with a good range of lights, midtones and darks. And avoid overly dark or washed out photos. If you think your photo isn't quite right, try adding a levels adjustment layer. I hope you found this useful. If so, please follow our channel and check out our other videos. And be sure to check out the next video to learn how to turn photos into authentic vintage engravings in Affinity. See you in the next one.